I praise you and I lift you up. See that? Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Have you ever played a chord progression that felt so predictable and plain? You almost fell asleep while playing it? That's where melodic lead-ins change everything. They add direction, flavor, and personality that wake the music up. Suddenly, those same chords feel like they're telling a story instead of just sitting there. Let's go into the key of E flat. All right, so let's take the regular 6-7-1 progression. This is a classic 6-7-1 progression that's in a lot of gospel songs. It sounds good by itself, but if we was to add melodic lead-ins, it will sound much better. Let me show you. Sound much better, right? All right, so all I'm doing is I'm walking up to the chord. That walk up is a C and a D, and then we're playing our A flat major chord on the 6, right? And then we're going to our B flat major chord. But you see what I did was I walked into the B flat major chord. I played A flat, G, and then I played my chord, and that's all on the 7. And then I went regular E flat major chord on the 1, but I'm walking down to that G, which is on that E flat major chord, B flat, A flat, and then the chord. So we can take these simple ideas and transform our music. Let's take a song like How Excellent. What did we do? So I played a lead in right here. You see that? I'm playing G, A flat, G, F, E flat, and then I'm playing my chord. Then we can keep on going. See that? Same thing, same. See, I'm on my 7 flat, and I'm playing a regular E flat major chord. Believe it or not, I can do it again. See that? Now we're on the 2 flat, and we're playing this D flat diminished 7. Then I'm going to my 2, that's an A flat 6 chord. Then I'm going to my 3, I'm playing the same D flat diminished 7 chord. And then I'm going to my 4, I'm playing this nice little chord here. So on and so on. But guys, you know, the crazy thing is you can play these lead-ins in a lot of songs. Not only can you do these type of lead-ins with regular chords, you can also do them with progressions. So we could take a regular 7-3-6 progression and try to put it in, right? We could go. So basically what I did was I walked up and then I played my chord. It's never just, that sounds too boring. You got to walk up into something. See, it makes it smoother. So we could also do a 5-1-4 progression with that same type of idea, the melodic lead in. We could take a song like I Love You, Lord. I praise you and I lift you up. See that? I made that whole line, which was just a 5-1-4 progression, more interesting by adding a melodic line to it. So basically I walked up G, A flat, and then I played my chord, which is a B flat minor chord. You see that? I went C, B flat, A flat, and then I played my chord, which is a regular D flat major chord on the 1. All right. So my chord is really just a C minor chord on the 4, but I played G, F, and then the chord. So guys, these are simple ideas that you can add to your music to make it a little bit more interesting. I hope this was able to help you out. Tell all of your musician friends, your buddies, and help them to learn, such as yourselves. And guys, you know what? You're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.